Here is the dining room, video I believe 6. Over here we have a whole bunch of pewter pieces. There's a whole tea set in the back. Dining set. Copper, brass, silverware. Coffee pots. Herb grinders. Coffee grinders. This one looks like an old one. Kind of writing. More candlesticks. Here we go with some teapots. Really unique teapots right up here. Here's a teddy bear. Little puppy dog. Here's one desk. Has a teapot, and look at the bigger one. Really cool. Here's a lady with the cart, vegetable cart. Shot glasses. China set. A lot of unique items here. I think this is silver. You can double check and give us a call. Andy will tell you. 914-879-7815. If you'd like to see more, go on newyorksales.net and follow the links. Take care.